The Complete Guide to Investing in the United States. Start with impact. Have you ever thought about investing in the United States and taking advantage of the largest financial market in the world? Today, I'll show you how. Present the video's objective. In this complete guide, you'll learn the entire process to invest in the U.S., from opening an account to initial strategies. Whether you're a beginner or looking to diversify, this content is for you. Encourage viewers to stay until the end. At the end, I'll share an extra tip to help you avoid common mistakes. Don't miss it. Main advantages: access to global leading companies like Apple, Amazon, and Tesla. Greater economic stability. Protection and diversification by investing in U.S. dollars. Relevant facts. Explain the size of the U.S. market, highlighting NYSE and NASDAQ as the largest stock exchanges in the world. Emphasize the U.S. dollar as the world's primary reserve currency.